Hello everyone. Welcome to this special YouTube video. July 19 is Myanmar's Martyrs Day, where we delve into the heroic and tragic story of the Myanmar 9 martyrs. Their unwavering dedication to Myanmar's independence and democracy has left an indelible mark on the nation's history. Join us as we pay tribute to their sacrifices and celebrate their enduring legacy. Their vision went beyond mere independence. They sought unity among Myanmar's diverse ethnic groups, leading to the historic Panglong Agreement of 1947. This agreement laid the groundwork for a unified and inclusive Myanmar. But destiny had other plans. On July 19, 1947, Myanmar suffered a devastating blow when Aung San and several other cabinet members were assassinated during a fateful cabinet meeting. Let us start with General Aung San, a visionary leader born on February 13, 1915. He founded the Burmese Independence Army and was instrumental in negotiating the Panglong Agreement, striving for unity among Myanmar's diverse ethnic groups. Urazak, the seasoned politician. Next, we remember Urazak, a seasoned politician and ally of Aung San. He actively participated in the negotiations for independence and was a signatory of the historic Panglong Agreement. You betcha. The respected lawyer, people also known as D.U Betcha. U Betcha, a respected lawyer and patriot, played an essential role in Myanmar's fight for independence. His legal expertise was instrumental in shaping the nation's future. My Ponsawar Jai So Santun, the Shan Prince. Now, let us remember Sao Santun, a Shan Prince who stood for a united Myanmar. His vision for a diverse and inclusive nation remains an inspiration. U Bo Win, the champion of justice. U Bo Win was another remarkable figure in Myanmar's struggle for independence. A passionate advocate for democracy and social justice, his legacy continues to inspire generations. Mon Bak Kang, the courageous Karen leader. Mon Bak Kang, a courageous Karen leader, fought ardently for Myanmar's independence. Thekin Maya, a fearless nationalist and co-founder of Dobama Ajawan, played a significant role in Myanmar's fight against British colonial rule. He was among the 9 martyrs who were assassinated on July 19, 1947. Kohevwi, Adil Razak's bodyguard. He was among the 9 martyrs who were assassinated on July 19, 1947. As we conclude this drawing tribute, let us remember the 9 martyrs and their profound impact on Myanmar's history. Through their sacrifices, the nation continues to march forward towards unity, democracy, and hope. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. Remember to share this video to spread awareness of the 9 martyrs' extraordinary contributions. Until next time, may their legacy inspire us all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.